everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my everyday summer glowy makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me, and I will see you guys in the next clip. First thing I like to do is fill in my brows. I like to use the Annabelle eyeliner pencil in Coffee, and after I fill in my brows, I like to clean it up using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just leave a comment down below and I will be sure to make a separate video for that. So I just dragged that concealer down to my eyelids and I blend it out with my beauty sponge. I like to do this to get an even base when applying my eyeshadow. For my eyes today, or every day, I like to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. For my eyelids, I like to use the color Nefertiti. I don't know. I'll leave the name in the description box below. As you can see, I use this color a lot. I use it every single day. I love it. It's so pretty and it goes great with any skin tone. Next, I use the Kylie Cosmetics, the Burgundy palette, and I use the color Beige in my crease, and I like to use the color Almond in my outer corner, and I like to just pack on that color so that it can be more defined. So as you can see, I'm just packing on that color and reapplying colors to my lid as well. For my foundation, I like to mix two. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundations in color 330 Toffee and 355 Coconut. I mix these two colors together to get my perfect shade. So after I mix the two foundations, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige again to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead, and I blended that out with my beauty sponge. Then I use the color Almond to blend along my lash line. I used a black kohl liner to line my waterline. I used the Better Than Sex mascara, and for my eyelashes, I used the Ardell Tapered Luxe lashes in number 802. I then use a powder contour from NYX to contour my face. I actually used the whole bottom row. So I did a little bit of contouring on my nose, still using the NYX powder contour palette. I use my favorite orange blush from NYX. It is called Double Dare. This color is absolutely beautiful on melanin ladies. This orange color, gorgeous. Please go out and get it. Next, I like to use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, and I place that on the high points of my cheeks, my brow bone, the inner corners of my eyes, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. I actually misplaced my fan brush, and I found this brush instead to apply my highlight, and guys, I love it. It just synced the highlight right into my skin, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to set your skin so your makeup lasts all day. I'm using the NYX Dewy Skin Finish. It is super long lasting and it is one of my favorites. That is it for my everyday summer glowy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments down below. All information will be listed in the description box, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. Also, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I'm sure I have enough.
Subscribe.